Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how you can review a match in chess.com. Now, if you want to review a previous match that you played recently, maybe you want to do better, you want to analyze what you did wrong, what you did right, it's actually quite simple. You need to be logged into your account, and once you are in your homepage, you want to scroll down a bit until you see game history. Right under game history, you should have a few games played, because if not, there's nothing to review, of course. Now, sometimes there's going to be an option here, or a button you can click that says review. But if you don't have any, just click on the game that you want to review, like so. There you go. And here you're going to have this pop up that says game review. So all you need to do is click on game review. There you go. A new tab will appear, and you can now start reviewing your game here, right? Once it's loaded, there you go. So start review. So you can now watch how the game has been played. So pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. You're not bad. I'll see you on the next video.